Monkeys also use their tail to balance themselves and hold the branches. There
Okay.
are also some type of monkeys which have their long tail.
Okay.
They use this long tail to hold on the branch of a tree when they swing from one tree to another.
Okay. So the animals that spend most of their time on trees are called arboreal animals. Okay, so what are arboreal animals? That spend most of their time on trees. Like monkey, we find monkey mostly on trees, right? We find monkeys mostly on trees, so they are arboreal. Now monkey, squirrel, tree lizard are some arboreal animals. They have special claws. What do they have? They have special
Special
claws.
call.
Yes. What do these special claws help them? They help them. These special claws help them. Yes. They have special claws and they have strong arms. See? They have strong arms. They have strong arms. They have strong arms and legs. They have strong legs. They have strong legs. They have strong legs which help them to climb the trees. Okay? Now, monkeys also use their tails to balance themselves and hold the branches. So what do? They balance themselves and they hold the branches. Now there are also some type of monkeys which have very long tails. Some monkeys have very long tails. They use this long tail to hold on to the branch of a tree when they swing from one tree to another. So what do? Suppose a monkey is jumping and a monkey is jumping from this branch. Okay, the monkey is jumping from this branch to this branch. Suppose the monkey is jumping from this branch to this branch. So while jumping, the monkey will grasp one branch with its tail. This is the tail of the monkey. The monkey will grasp one branch with its tail. Then it will jump. Now when it is sure that it will land correctly in it, then it will get loose of this branch. Is that clear?
And it is not looking like a monkey, it is looking like a man.
That is the short of a monkey. Okay, we will read from aerial animals.
A bad
I'll
mistake.
ask Omkushnath read from aerial animals.
Aerial animals. Animals that can fly and spend a lot of time in the air are called aerial animals.
Yes.
Bird and bat are aerial animals.
Okay.
This animal has special structural features. Birds have wing and body features. They have hollow bone, which feature birds have
Which
wings
make their bodies
and
very
body
light.
features.
Yes. Now they fly.
They fly with their wings. Their tail helps them to change direction while
Their
flying.
tail helps them to change directions while flying. Okay.
While flying.
Yes. Now.
Some birds cannot fly. Aerial animal as it cannot fly. Can you name other flightless animals? In winter, many birds fly thousands of kilometers to warmer countries in search of food
Okay.
and escape from
Okay. Omkush, stop now. Okay. Now we will read from here. Now see animals that can fly and spend a lot
Can
of
your
time
voices
in
come?
air. So some animals that can fly and they spend a lot of time here are called aerial animals. They are called aerial animals. So what are aerial animals? Animals which can fly and which spend a lot of time in air. Now Let us move on to birds and bats as animal, which are aerial animals. So birds can fly, bats can also fly. So we have to remember, not only birds, bats are also aerial animals. Is that clear? Not
But
only
bat is
bird,
camel.
bat may be mammal, but bat is an aerial animal. Aerial means it is not bird. Aerial means an animal which can spend most of its time air. Is that clear? An animal which will spend most of its time in air is an aerial animal. Yes, tell me.
Aerial animal means which animals can fly.
Those animals which can fly and which spend most of their time in the air. Okay. Now, these animals have special structural features. What are those? Birds have wings. Birds have body feathers. What do the birds have? Birds have wings. Birds have
and
body
body
feathers. Yes. They have hollow bones. What do they have? They have hollow bones which make their bodies very light. Okay. They fly with their wings. Om Kushnath. What is happening? What are you doing? Concentrate in the class. Okay, they fly with their wings. Their tail helps them to change directions while flying. Okay, what does their tail do? It helps them to change their direction. Some birds cannot fly. See, those who cannot fly, they are not an aerial animal. They can be birds, but they are not aerial animals. Like ostrich. Ostrich cannot fly. So ostrich, as it cannot fly, ostrich is not an aerial animal. As it cannot fly, ostrich is not an aerial animal. Okay, can you name other flightless bird? Have you seen a poultry? Have you seen poultry cock? Can it fly? Have you seen duck? Can it fly? No. So all.
I can't
Okay.
hear.
So all
Sir, tell again what you tell now.
mammals cannot fly. Okay. All mammals cannot fly. All birds cannot fly. See, it is the lightning is striking so hard. I'm afraid to teach through this computer. The lightning is happening so vigorously and so hard here. I'm feeling afraid. I'm feeling really afraid. The computer is shutting on and shutting off. The screen is shutting on and off when the lightning is striking.
There is only rainfall, not in thunderstorm.
No, there is thunderstorm. There is thunderstorm in Ranaghat.
Sir, peacock cannot fly.
Okay, let us finish it fast.
There is a news that yesterday was super cyclone. That's why my father got
Om Kushnath, move your mouth a little away from the mic and then speak. Yes, till now.
my father got holiday because yesterday was super cyclone. There is a notice that yesterday is super cyclone.
Okay, all of you wait. I'll take the class from mobile, okay? It is lightning here. Just wait, all of you.